wide, I get the party lit outside. I get the crunk, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. Ma, don't stop.
Hey guys, Happy New Year. Hope you all had an amazing New Year's Eve. I did at least. 2019 was great and thank you guys so much for your support. But 2020 is gonna be super awesome with lots and lots and lots of dance tutorials. So let's start with a simple but cool dance called the mop. So let's just jump right into it. Now this dance is so easy that probably many of you can figure it out on your own. So I'm just gonna show you how to add some more flavor into it. So instead of just doing it like this, you can do wah, 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 wah. So I'm just gonna quickly explain the move here as if you're holding a mop up to your, let's just say right side, right shoulder here, and then you go down, left shoulder down. Yeah, so just opposite, like that. The feet, you can either just stay like this and then go down, or you can do like pull up, yeah, so your leg is just going up, down. I'm just gonna show you from the side, up, down, yeah, so mop, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So to add a bit more flavor, you can lean a bit to the front here and then go down and level, whoop, whoop, whoop. So you're not standing like this, whoop, 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 but you're leaning a bit to the front. Yeah, and then you can go back up and down. Whoop, 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 whoop. Another thing you could do is use your shoulders more actively. So you can say one shoulder up, the other shoulder, other shoulder, other shoulder up. Yeah, so you can go whoop, shoulder, 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 shoulder. So you can go down, shoulder, down, shoulder, down, shoulder, down, shoulder. So it looks like this. Wow, 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 wow. Another thing you could do is when your mop is down here and you want to pull it back up, you want to go down. Yeah, so only when your mop goes back up, your body goes down. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you again. So from up here, you want to go down, pull your body down, arms down, pull your body down, arms down, pull your body down. Yeah, so it's gonna look like this. Boom, boom, boom. Then you could add the legs, so you can say whoop, 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 whoop. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, whoop, 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 whoop. And actually, I think it would be cool if you mix the plain with the more flavored ones, so you could do and boom, and boom, boom, and before doing the actual mop part, so before doing this mop, 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 there's a freestyle part. You can do whatever. I've seen they do whoop, whoop. So basically you just jump here, jump wherever you want. Your hand just go whatever. Also your head. No, 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 no. Mop, 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 mop. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the mop. Thank you guys so much for watching and until next time.